Kasi ang kanyang taknim, so I buy no school supplies, pero dili pa kompleto kay wala pa man nihatag og kanang requirements sa school supplies. So, nipalit ko og notebooks and paper and ball pen. And I also buy my school uniform for the next school year. Ang kanyang taknim, kamsamida.
Annyeonghaseyo kita na.
Annyeonghaseyo.
What's this?
Cebuana.
Saan na nimo?
Pagpagulit mo dyan.
Okay, so you want me to hold your Cebuana card. Is your grandmother and your father knows this?
Yes.
It's okay for them?
Yes.
Okay. So I rest assured that your money is safe with me. But one thing, I will give you a challenge that I'm not the one depositing your money. After the donation day, you get this card from me and go to Cebuana, deposit your savings. Then right after you deposited, give it back to me. Okay? Then hopefully you will change na ha. This is your last chance. Okay? Change for your own, not for me. Okay? Okay, so hoping your promise will not be broken again. Okay. Then you deposit gahapon? Okay, you deposited 2,000 pesos. Okay. Bye kita na.
So since we still have money left from our Mang Inasal mukbang, so I will be dividing the money remaining, okay? So I will be giving you the total amount. So we have here 861 from Teacher Rika, Generous and Jasmine's receipt, and also from our mukbang, which is 35 sets, 8,646, and also 524, a total of 35 sets. So I have here the total. So from Gegom Dernim, 6,000 pesos, Wiparam Nim, 4,000, Dongju Nim, 2,000, and 1,500 from SJ Nim. So here is the total. And we also have transportation fee, 320, and back and forth, that is 640. So we have remaining 2,739, and divided by 35, so we have 78 pesos each. So pila? So each one of you will receive 78 pesos. But since lisod kay pangitaon ang sinsiyo, sakto dili? So I will be giving you 50 pesos each. Okay ra?
Yes.
And then the 28 pesos each, kay dili na ka teacher ha. I will be putting that on your study room expenses, which is a soong. So that inika movie marathon na to or inika clean up drive, we will be having snacks. Kasabot? So your 28 pesos each, a total of 980. So ibutang na to sa study room expenses. Okay? So I will be giving you 50 pesos each ha, but since wala may sinsiyo, grupo mo kanang pair. Sige, imong tupad. Okay. Kamo duha. Kamo duha na ha, Ate Maxine. Divide mo. Kamo duha ha. Kamo duha. Ati, kamo ni Ate Yashil, since Ate Yashil is not here, okay? And then, group of 10. Raise your hand. Isa kamot. So, kamot, 10 naman no. So, you'll be having 50 each ha. Palihog ko na divide niya, Ate ha. And then kamo 10. Count down. Okay. Sila din duha. Okay, ako inyo ika-10 ha. Okay, divide ninyo. Okay? So, kamo na pasinsilyo ana. So, the sponsors are Gegom Dernim. Gegom Dernim. O, dunga na lang. Gegom Dernim. Gegom Dernim. We Paramnim. We Paramnim. Dongjanim. Dongjanim. SJnim. SJnim. Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Oh, and then, pwede kasan mo mag-take video ha. I-divide ninyo sa money ba? Okay? Okay, sige. So, we have here the remaining 980. I will be putting this one to the study room expenses. So, 900. 980. And, the remaining are for Teacher Rika, Generous, Andrea, and for those students who are not here. So, sakto na ha. So, nakita na ninyo, wala dyan gibusa si teacher, okay? Okay, you may now go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. So, since you are not here earlier, when we divided the remaining money from our Mang Inasal Mukbang, so I will be giving you each the 50 pesos, okay? So, actually, ang atong remaining gina-divide siya into 78 each. 28 pesos, but we've agreed nga ang 28 pesos ibutang sa study room expenses. Okay? So, each one of you will receive 50 pesos. Okay? So, kamo na lang divide ani ha. So, si Ate Feby, ya kamong duha. Teacher Rika, Ganjuya, kamo na lang divide ha. And, that is from Gegom Dernim.
Gegom Dernim.
We Paramnim.
We Paramnim.
Dongjanim.
Dongjanim.
SJnim.
SJnim. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. Ito sa Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. Yay! Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday. Yay! Jadi, Ate muna. Give Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Kiss, Ate. Oh, yay! Kita mo ni? Ha? Kita ni. Uy. Kita ni. Happy na ba?